All right, we just finished up this 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine here. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Started with the brand new 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, power forged pistons, forged I-beam rods, steel crankshaft, double roller timing chain, custom ground roller lifter camshaft, the airflow research aluminum cylinder heads, roller rocker arms in there, Cobra valve covers with the 427 badges, the Cobra air cleaner, MSD distributor, brand new timing cover, new balancer, high flow aluminum water pump, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel line, the gas filters on there, oil pressure extension. We always install the correct oil pan for the customer's application. Holley aluminum intake manifold, MSD distributor, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball on there. We always install the correct automatic flex plate or the standard flywheel, whatever the customer's application requires, and we make sure that he has the proper balance for the engine. It's fully balanced. We have the manifold vacuum fittings in there for easy vacuum hookups if needed. PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line, electric choke wire. We have the fuel lines right up to the carburetor, the black lines on there, all set. Chrome dipstick and tube, thermostat housings on there. We installed the thermostat in there, coolant bypass hose. You're getting a complete custom built, turnkey ready engine ready to go. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in the stand. We show you the oil pressure reading, idle and on rev, cold and hot, water temperature, manifold vacuum reading. We set the ignition timing. We adjust the idle mixer screws to achieve the best manifold vacuum, set the idle, check for leaks. Everything is completely done for you, ready to go. So it'll be a nice experience when you drop the engine in. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We're a family-owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So again, this is our 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine, ready to go. Thanks for watching.